With this dish, you will enjoy caramel meatballs, sit on rice noodles with pickles, fresh vegetables, and spring roll dipping sauce. Start by preparing the caramel. Put in a small saucepan 2 tablespoons of sugar with 1 tablespoon of water. Put over medium heat. When it starts to color, move the pan from time to time for even cooking. Here, after 5 minutes, the sugar turns golden brown. Remove the pan from the heat and add 2 tablespoons of boiling water. Watch out for hot splashes. Move the pan and put it back on the heat for 30 seconds. Then turn off the heat and let it cool. Cut 500 grams of pork into chunks. Chop them. Put them in a mixing bowl. Crush a lemongrass to relieve all its flavor. Chop it finely. Put it with the meat. Also add 2 chopped garlic cloves. One minced shallot. One-quarter teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and the caramel. Mix everything well. Let rest while continuing the preparation. Cook 400 grams of rice noodle in a pot of boiling water. And cook for 5 to 6 minutes over medium heat. Drain them and rinse them with cold water. Let them drain under a towel. To make the pickles, cut into julienne, 2 carrots, and 300 grams of turnip, put them in a large container with 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix. Let it soak. For a mix of fresh vegetables, cut 1/3 of cucumber into sticks. Mince a few salad leaves. (100 grams of bean sprouts). Coarsely chop 10 grams of mint and 10 grams of cilantro. Mix them. Now prepare the chive oil. Mince 10 grams of chives. Heat 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium-low heat. When it's very hot, after 2 minutes, pour it over the chives. Briefly mix. Squeeze the carrot and turnip to remove the water. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar. Combine, and the pickles are ready. To make the meatballs, put a little oil on your hands. Take 1 tablespoon of marinated meat. Make a flattened balls. about 5 centimeters in diameter and 2 centimeters thick. We get 20 meatballs. Put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, put the meatballs. Let them grill for 5 minutes. Flip them over. Leave another 4 minutes. Everything is ready. Prepare the plates for each guest. Put a portion of vegetables, warm rice noodles. You can also heat them in a microwave. Meatballs, 1 tablespoon of chive oil, some pickles, and 3 tablespoons of spring roll dipping sauce. In a small bowl for each guest to bath their meatballs, mix some dipping sauce with pickles. Bon appétit! It is a complete dish full of freshness, flavors with the caramel in the meatballs, the dipping sauce and the pickles. Thank you and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.